Hi guys, this is a tutorial on how to sew these. These are reusable face wipes. In this video I have made 4 and they're very simple and easy to make, so let's get cracking. Now we're going to measure out the fabric and then we're going to cut the fabric out. I have done this 8 inches by 6 inches, but I've also added ½ inch for the seam allowance. Now we're going to place the fabric right side down on top of the toweling, and we're going to repeat this with all 4 reusable face wipes. Now it's time to clip around the fabric so the toweling and fabric stay in place when we sew all the way around. Now I'm going to sew all the way around and then leave a gap here and then carry on sewing. Make sure we do leave that gap there. Now going to cut off each corner. Make sure you don't cut too close to the stitch because we don't want that seam opening, and then repeat this with all the reusable face wipes you have made. Now where we've left that gap, we're going to turn all the wipes inside out. Now we've got to make sure we sew that hole up, so we're going to do a stitch all the way around the wipe and repeat this with each wipe. And here we have our reusable face wipes. It didn't take long to make. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming sewing projects.